In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import multiple Excel files into Power BI. This is particularly useful when your Excel files share the same schema, allowing you to combine them efficiently or keep them separate depending on your needs. You might wonder, why is this process beneficial? Well, if you deal with a series of Excel files, say for different months, weeks, or departments, that follow the same column structure, combining them saves you valuable time. More importantly, once you've set this up, adding new files is a breeze. Simply refresh in Power BI, and any new data from those files will be seamlessly included. So, how do you actually import multiple Excel files from a folder and combine them in Power BI? Let's walk through this straightforward method, which works best when all your Excel workbooks or tables have identical structures, meaning they share the same column names and layout. Begin by opening Power BI Desktop. Once you're in, navigate to Get Data and select Folder. This is key as it allows you to work with all files in a specific location. Browse through your system to find the folder containing your Excel files and select it. Click OK to proceed. A dialog will appear showing you the contents of the folder. Here, it's crucial to choose Transform Data rather than Load. This step ensures you have complete control and visibility of the data through the Power Query Editor. Inside the Power Query Editor, you'll see a list of all files in the folder, including any subfolders by default. This list includes columns such as Name, Extension, Date Modified, and Content, which consists of the binary data of your files. If your goal is to focus on specific files, say only those with the .xlsx extension or particular name patterns. This is the stage to apply any necessary filters. Now, to combine the files, click on the Combine Files button. Alternatively, clicking directly on the binary content column and selecting Combine Files works just as well. This action opens a sample file, offering you a chance to guide Power BI on how to interpret the content. You'll specify which sheet or table to focus on, manage header rows, and make any other pertinent selections. As you refine your data strategy here, take this opportunity to make any transformations needed. You might want to rename columns, alter data types, or remove columns that aren't useful. The beauty of this process is any transformation applied to this sample or template query will be consistently applied to all files in the folder. Once satisfied with your setup, go ahead and close and apply, loading everything into the data model. With this configuration in place, anytime you drop another similarly structured Excel file into that folder and refresh, Power BI will automatically include the fresh data. And there you have it, a concise yet comprehensive method to manage and analyze multiple Excel files using Power BI. This approach not only simplifies data handling, but also keeps you agile in updating and leveraging new data.